So guys, welcome to another video. It may get noisy because there's a busy road above, but we'll see what we get today.
Let's see what it's got. Oh my god, it's got like a hydrant thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks like it. What a massive stopcock.
To the canal. Oh goodness, that's first, isn't it?
Yeah. We moved down from the bridge because
We weren't getting nothing up there, so we moved down and just stopped. And oh my god, oh, is that
bottle
now?
cap.
Yeah.
Bottle cap on that.
Yeah. Isn't it something big? Oh, I think it was like a bit of a crowd. We should leave for a bit. Okay. Right, this is what I was bringing up. Ooh. I had to get the troublemaker on it as well as the beast. And it's
Got stuff in it.
has got actually stuff in it, yeah?
Yeah, there's a card there.
Couldn't get it out before. There's another one there, but we had to leave it because we did have a gang of kids behind us, which we didn't fancy getting this out. Ooh, did I see shiny there? What's that down there?
Oh no.
Oh, don't get them two together.
Wow, that scared me. Right, let's have a look. There's the door. Camera?
Oh my goodness. You don't want to spend
Card.
too long on it, yeah. Oh, is that a phone? No, no, it's not.
Yeah, it's a Nokia phone. Okay, we'll get this in the box and
Yeah,
we'll
because it's putting a bit of
get
a...
it in the tub. It's not the best of areas.
No, it is quite busy as well, so...
Right, let's get that away now.
So I wonder if some of the stuff is still in there that's fell out, I mean.
Possibly, there's stuff in it.
Yeah. Interesting. Right guys, safe number 2. Oh, what was? And I keep dropping. You have to bend down and get it. It's open. Oh, where's your other magnet? Get both of them on.
It's open.
Yeah, I'll put forcing it open. There we go.
On the back.
Oh no. See, open at the front there. So we've got the... Oh, I don't know, you know. What the hell's
That is full of stuff.
It is, it's still got stuff in it. Just put it back straight in the trolley then, we'll look at her.
Hang on. I think that's a gun.
That's a gun.
That's a gun. There's another one.
Oh, okay. Oh my god. That looks like a... I can't get my words out, Lovecraft.
That's a Webley Nemesis.
And there's something else down there. Philip, be careful.
We need to get in touch with you know who.
I think that's a glass case.
Not sure what it is. I don't think we should mess with this too much.
What was that other thing? Was that another gun down there though?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't want to put my hands in too much.
Oh, that looks like a watch.
Yeah, that's a watch.
But just put it all in the tub. But I don't like
Hang
this.
on.
Oh god, there's the
There
other
we go.
one.
There's the other one.
That's it, we'll show him at home and he can take it to the police station. I ain't waiting out here for him to come out.
There's another watch there. Okay. Let's pull all that.
This is a bit adventureful, isn't it? I bet Jamie would have liked to have come out with us now. He's going, no, I don't fancy going out. He says, okay.
We've got to be really careful with this.
Just shove her in
Mind
there.
you, they're back in the water, so they're back in the sea.
They ain't going to drive, are they? We don't know nothing about guns, so, you know. We're being a bit cautious. There we go. He's got it in. So, let's see what else we can find from here. And now he's getting a fire extinguisher. I wonder if that still works.
Safe if anything happens.
That's it, cool down the guns. Oh, he's pressed it as well. Oh no, the handle's broken it.
Yeah, it's broke.
Oh my goodness. This is a bit of a nice gold trap. You got there then. Who's that, a jack?
Jack.
Another jack.
Another jack.
Hello, Jack.
Yeah.
You got a
trolley wheel.
Oh, thank goodness it's not a whole one though.
I know, yeah.
They're a
Don't like
pain up the
shopping
butt. I'll move further down. And he's got, oh, steak.
Yeah, it's
That,
wood,
how's that? How's,
metal and wood.
okay.
Yeah.
What you got? Oh, what's that then?
I don't know.
What's shiny? What's that shiny? Oh, okay. That's just junk.
Yeah. I got your foot.
I know you got my foot, I felt it. You always get my
Yeah.
feet. There you go. Ooh, monkey bar. Still got the monkey bar kid in you, haven't you?
Yeah. Always.
Okay. Right, guys, he's got his hook on something really heavy here. You see bubbles. But I thought I'll film it. Because remember last time when you went R70? And I couldn't film it.
Oh, is that what you want?
Yeah, just in case. Oh god, careful. Yeah, I can still see bubbles though. Yeah, but if that's not coming out, that means your hook's not coming out.
Huh?
That means your hook's not coming out.
Oh,
Bike. Oh goodness. This is not good.
I wish I never broke the racket.
I reckon that's a trolley. That's not budging, that's it. Goes. Oh my goodness. I can still see bubbles. And there's oil as well. There's oil coming up from that.
Oh, no, it's motorboat.
Uh-oh.
I never going to know it.
You ain't going to get your hook out. Come this way. Don't hurt yourself though, Philip. Watch your back. It's not worth it. Oh yeah, I can see oil.
Oh, back.
Oh, that was a big bubble. Look. Blop, blop, blop.
I didn't know. Probably gone back in the seal.
Oh. Oh, look. Bubbles. Hey, that's big. Look, they're over there. So you can see back in again. Oh!
Thank you.
You lost your hook.
I need to try and unhook it.
How?
I need to try and unhook it.
Yeah, how?
What we need?
What?
We need Nigel with his winch.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Clanger. I think he's lost his hook. I'm not sure if he'll cry on this one. Now if it was his beast, then yeah. He would have sulked.
I think I've lost my hook.
I think you have. Oh, where are you going? Oh my god, he scares me when he gets so close. For a dinky hook, that's quite strong, isn't it? You know.
It's too strong.
How are you going to get that out?
Good question. I don't know.
Oh my goodness. Try it this way now. I'm just scared to turn it off in case it does go.
You what?
You got me. I'm too scared to turn off just in case you go flying. He's got it! Yay! Well done.
Grapple up to demon.
It's been good to us, hasn't it?
Small but mighty.
Yeah.
Not bad for 12 quid.
I know, yeah.
Amazon.
Favourite place.
Um,
Are we going home now?
yeah, that's just hurt my back.
Yeah, and I'm trying to mooch through them safes.
Yeah.
Wash it
Yeah,
all
I
down.
need to get them out.
Yeah, you're going to have to take
Because it's not really the best of areas, is it?
No, can't mooch through here.
Huh?
Can't mooch through that while we're down here. So we'll go home and have a little butcher's.
Yeah. You making me coffee?
Then, as always,
See, sure. It's your job.
it's like a ritual though, isn't it? Is that the right word? Ritual.
Ritual?
What's the word
It's a-
I'm looking
it's a
for?
ritual.
Ritual, that's the one. That's me Brummie coming out on me.
No,
Like,
that's just
while
Judy
you're
coming out.
Oh, sure. No, while you're unloading the trailer, I get the coffees on every time.
Yeah, I'll give you that, you do.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So we
She
go.
is good to me, really. Right,
Yeah.
let's get these magnets away.
Okie dokie.
And we'll have a wash down and then...
And we'll come back here. Because we want to go down there. Yeah. What, you're going to still try down there?
What?
You're going to still try and get that, whatever that was?
Yeah, I'm going to see if I can get my ratchet working.
Oh
My
my
ratchet strap.
goodness.
Could have put the post you got there.
Where? Oh God, it's going to pull.
Strap round that.
You pull it down? Council could build that.
Yeah, I think we'll leave that one till we've got some help.
Yeah.
Most definitely. Not bad
Oh,
for my back.
excuse me.
Because my back's gone so sore.
Yeah. Right, we're going then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, we will see you in a bit.
Right guys, we're going to do it a little bit differently today because we've just got back. I've had one swig of my coffee.
Yeah.
So,
And it's all still in the bucket.
it's all still in the bucket.
It's stuck with his magnet.
There we go. Right, that's one sec.
Oh my God, two. But before we do these
Quickly go
first.
through fire extinguisher, carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. And we've got a couple of bits of wood. Wood with a bit of metal. A little bit of metal there. And we've got the jack. That's not the one for the van.
Henry!
Whatever it was.
Henry! Oh my God, that dog.
Oh, it's not Henry barking, by the way.
No, that's not that
Shopping
dog.
trolley wheel.
What's he doing to you? Henry, what's Henry doing to you? Is that where the firemen hold their hoses and...
No, it doesn't. So.
Oh, okay.
Well, that works.
I don't know. What?
Change. What?
And then all the just the bits and bobs you go out where we can actually show all the junky bits.
Oh no, that's a Anki. Spark plug socket. For looks of it. Cool.
Let's
Right,
get the
go.
interesting. Let's do the white one first.
There's the door. That's up the front of the door.
What's that then?
That goes there.
Oh, yeah.
Twig. Stone. Battery. We need the bucket of water over here, don't we?
There you go, it's your bucket. What was it? Oh, the camera.
On Samsung camera. This is a card, isn't it?
Oh, I have to have a look at that. phone by the looks of it. It's an old one, isn't it?
And Blaze, never heard of it.
It's an old one, isn't it?
I don't know, it's not that old. 3 megapixel camera.
They don't make them like that anymore, surely.
Not anymore, no, but it's not that old.
Oh, another one. Shiny one.
Shiny Nokia.
What are you doing?
Do you want to get back off, see if there's a SIM card in it?
Oh, well, I'll dry it up first.
Yeah.
What's that then?
Lump of metal.
Oh,
Stone. Another bit of the... What's it there? That's a twig. Yeah, that's it for that one. Oh, hang on.
no battery.
Another battery. Yep, that's it for that one.
Interesting one.
Now for the really interesting one. Swiss Chrono.
What is it?
Swiss chronographs. Whatever that is. Don't know.
I can't believe this lot stayed in without the door on. Anything in it? There's nothing on that, is there?
Nothing on it now.
It's a Rolex, isn't it? Well, box anyway.
Yeah.
I'll open it up though in case it's they've just put it inside. Pull that out.
You pulled out.
Yeah. You never know. What's that bag?
I think that's what it's supposed to come in.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's one side. Another Rolex case.
Nothing in it.
No, I always thought that's the receipt.
Mind you, there was a
there.
watch in there, loose in there, weren't there?
Yeah.
Oh, your back's gone.
Yeah, my back's still aching from that grapple hook. Over the grapple hook.
Careful, because the...
I've got, yeah.
I also had the door, things in there. Oh, what's that then?
Nothing, it's just no.
Look like a memory card or something. It's supposed to be in it.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, goodness me. A bag. Oh, it's empty.
Empty bag. Oh, don't lean on the bucket, it folds.
You donut. What's that then?
Bit of slate. Bottle cap.
Careful now, what we... Oh my goodness, here we go. Is it real?
Webley Nemesis.
Oh,
I have no idea.
Oh, careful. Oh, this is scary. That's not real, is it? Is it?
I don't really want to mess with it too much.
We don't know about guns, do we? Just
it
like that on
looks
the floor.
like it looks like a pellet gun to me.
Yeah, let's see if the name shows up, because there's people out there who knows.
Webley Nemesis. I will Google it.
Yeah. Well, we're still going to hand these in anyway, ain't we? Because
Oh yeah.
we don't want to get found with them.
A safe with guns and
Rolex stuff, yeah. Bit dodgy, isn't it?
A little bit.
I don't know, it kept in there though. That's the first, isn't
I
it?
think it was just got that wedged in there with the safe door.
Watch it, because I think there's another one in there.
Yeah, I think there is, yeah. Okay, that ain't coming out. Okay, so let's have a little mooch.
Yeah, soggy stuff. Oh, that's like the lining of it, isn't it?
Yeah, I want to keep it all separate.
The two safes, yeah, man. What's that then?
That's a twig.
Okay.
I'll just put all the little stuff in there.
Is the other one? Oh, it's the other one.
Now, this one looks real.
Do you think?
That don't look like a pellet gun to me. Yeah, you load it from the bottom.
There you go, people. Who knows about guns? Don't know me. Oh my god. I'm moving.
I'm in.
I'm just getting all jiggly.
There's a symbol on it there, look.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got some at 0.5mm there.
Some at 0.5.
Yeah.
I take it that's the size of the bullets. I don't know.
It's got it there.
Oh, okay. I don't know if it's picking it up. Is it?
No, I don't think so. See if there's anything outside. Well, hang on, that's cocked.
Holy moly. What does that mean? Put it on the floor. Put it on the floor.
That's actually cocked.
What? Oh. Okay, come on, let's all get this and get rid of them. We're not used to guns, so
No,
we don't know nothing about guns. We're not allowed to have guns. Well,
Don't
unless you've got a
want guns.
licence. Don't want guns. Don't want to know about guns. Just want to get rid of them.
Guns, but, you
Just thought we'd film them for you.
yeah. So, you know, if anyone wants to laugh
Yeah,
at
because we
us,
had a lot of bad comments on the other gun we found.
no,
Well,
it was
that
the
was
bullets.
just
It was the bullets.
the bullet one.
They didn't,
Oh, yeah.
when I opened it up, I said, "Oh my God, it's an arsenal," but you know,
Oh, you
people
were
didn't
just
get the
joking,
joke.
weren't you?
Yeah, people didn't understand the joke.
Yeah.
But, you know, I'm
Hooray.
hard to understand at times.
Oh, yeah, there's a watch. Do you think that's out of one of the boxes?
Says diesel on it.
Oh, so it's not them boxes are Rolex.
Rolex, yeah, but that says diesel.
Okay.
Interesting. I'm wondering in case there's another weapon in it.
I know, yeah. Oh, what's that then? Oh, just a tub in it. Oh, I've got to stand up a bit.
That's like a tin for pellets or bullets. Tin for pellets by the looks of it. I used to mess around with air rifles and that when I was a kid. They used to come in.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Oh, what's that then? What is that?
Looks like a drug pipe.
Is it? Oh, it is as well. Oh my. Naughty naughties.
MF81.
Don't know. Don't know nothing about drugs.
I thought they made it out of a bullet.
It does, don't it? Go on, see what else is in there. It's like Christmas, isn't it? Oh, what's that then? Oh, no, what is that? That's a knife.
That's a little flick knife.
Oh,
broke
it's
it.
just broke.
Okay,
Oh,
cool.
interesting.
Shouldn't really be sticking your hands in here. When there's a glass in there.
Oh my god, the glass is off a bowl.
Yeah.
What's that then? Is that a memory stick car thing?
No, that looks like a spare bit of strap for a watch.
Oh, okay. That could have come out them boxes then, couldn't it?
Yeah.
That stinks, you know.
I know, I've got my face in it.
That looks like a strap.
Yeah, that's a watch strap. More plastic.
Ooh. What's that then? Oh, that's going to be part of the...
More plastic.
Yeah. Look at him. Playing in mud. Eee, still splashing me.
I'm thinking the best thing to do is just scoop it in.
That's a twig in it.
Yeah.
What's in some of them? It might have been a bit of plastic.
Well, what I'll do is I'll pour.
Yeah, you'll still look through it, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I'll pour the water out.
Oh, hello, what's that? Oh, a lighter. To go with their bungy bong, whatever it is. This is gross.
There's nothing else in there.
Watch that, I can see glass up that corner. He says, what's that then?
More plastic.
Oh, I thought it was like a blade. Can you see that bit of glass there, Philip? Careful. What is it?
I don't know, some sort of pod.
Oh. You need to get the hose pipe in there. There you are.
Yeah. More plastic. I believe that is it.
Yeah. Excited, so let's show you everything we got out of this one. Which is whatever case that is. The watch, that gun and that gun, which we haven't got a clue about. That Rolex boxes. Oh, and that knife.
That knife, yeah.
Philip, careful.
Let me just turn that over.
Right, and the other one, the other safe, which was this one, we got these out of.
I'm sure that says Cal 4.5mm.
What? That don't mean nothing to me. What, the gun?
Yeah. Doesn't mean anything to me, so if anyone knows.
Yeah, comment below.
But I'm really worried because that is cocked and I don't know if it's loaded.
Well, you're going to drop them off at the police station, aren't you, anyway?
Yeah.
'Cause I don't want them around the house. So, yeah, we're going to finish this off.
Yeah.
I think you still want...
I'm really worried about that gun.
It'll be okay, you just take it to let them deal with it. Right, where? Oh, my thumb.
Do you want me to bend down?
No, my back's gone as well.
Right, so that wraps up today's exciting little adventure.
Oh, very
So,
exciting.
yeah, I'm off to the police station. So, I don't know whether I'll probably film to prove that I've gone to the police station.
Oh, you can do, actually, yeah. Might as well.
Yeah.
You can't film inside though, can you?
No, I can't film inside, but
you
at
can
least I'll
film.
prove that I've gone to the
Yeah,
police
they know.
station with this.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Okay,
then.
so I'll be back when I'm at the police station. Right, guys, I'm at the police station, so I'm just going to get out now and go and talk to him. I'm going to leave the whoops finger. Right, let's get out. Yeah, I'm going to get out the bush. Yep. as you can see, back at the police station. The stuff is in there. I don't know if you can see it there. Yep, all the stuff's in there. Right then, guys, I'm going to speak to the police and I shall see you when I come out. Alright guys, I'm back at the police station, ready to go home. It's took me about half hour. They was really grateful. A lot better response this time than when I handed in the bullets from a few videos ago. So that was better. The firearms department is coming down to make the gun safe because it's being cocked, and she's told me it is a proper gun. The second gun, the bigger one, which wasn't cocked, is an air pistol, and the smaller gun is definitely a live firing gun. So yeah, she didn't want to touch it either, which I don't blame her. So basically I took everything has gone in, the safe, the watches, whatever was in the safe, the watches, the knife, the drug pipe, the guns, everything. And the other one with the mobile phones, I did actually find 2 credit cards in there with names on, so I've handed that in as well. That's all in the other safe, so she's took both safes. She was really appreciative that I actually handed them in, and I've actually asked them this time if they would get in touch with me and let me know the outcome, if it's been used in a crime or anything. So yeah, so that was a lot better outcome than the bullet one, where they told me to throw them in the bin. Naughty. So right then, I'm going to head off home. So it's getting dark because it's nearly 10 o'clock. So 10 to 10. So right, on that note, that's going to wrap this adventure up. A little bit different to our usual endings. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to check our merch out. We've got the Brummies Outdoors t-shirts available now. So if you click the link below, it will take you to the merch site where you can pick them. We've got some cups as well, which is cool. Yeah, so don't forget, if you want to send us anything, the PO box address is in the description below. So on that note, thanks for watching. Don't forget, give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Till the next adventure, take care and we'll see you soon.